Konnichiwa. We're doing the pancake for entree?
Yes,
Son?
konnichiwa. So I'm making for today Okonomiyaki.
All the chefs I've been with on this series, they all love the Kewpie mayonnaise, whether it be wasabi or the plain Japanese. Very famous, isn't it? Japanese pancake, also known as
Okonomiyaki ですわ。